to Fastbacklife. I'm TK. Today's going to be a little different. Not working on the Charger. I'm actually going to do a little work on the 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado that I got my hands on. So today I'm going to clean it. I'm going to clean out the engine bay. I'm probably going to vacuum the interior, clean out the trunk, maybe give it a car wash, and hook up some jumper cables because I don't have a battery right now. Hook up some jumper cables from my van to the car to see if the engine will spin over. So let's take a look around and I can show you how dirty it is. Alright. So there she be. 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado. Really a really confusing car because it was pretty luxurious for its time. Some of the really decked out models had, I think, like electric windows and stuff like that. Tilting steering column, and it even extended too. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty. It needs a good cleaning. At least the interior does. Oof, and stinky. The doors need to be cleaned too. But right now, just gonna focus on vacuuming, I think. And then you can see the trunk here is all filled with stuff, and that was the sub that was in the trunk. That needs to be all vacuumed out, and that trunk liner thrown away. Not even gonna try. And then even like the door sills are dirty, all that stuff in there. I'm gonna try and vacuum it out. I got stuff up here. I'm gonna try and suck that out with the vacuum. My daughter's over there talking. And then suck out some stuff in here. All right here needs to be cleaned out. Underneath the engine intake. There's some stuff down here all around. I'm just gonna take the vacuum and try to suck it out the best I can. Like even if I undo this. Let's see what we got underneath here. We got a bunch of rat crap. Put that down right there. And I think we can even lift her off. And there's a bunch of stuff underneath there. So that needs to all get vacuumed out and all that fancy stuff. So I'm gonna get to cleaning, and after I'm done cleaning, I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done cleaning it. Maybe even after a car wash too. We'll see. Gotta get the hose hooked up. So I just got something to show you because this doesn't happen often. She's working on the car too. She doesn't even know she's on camera. Kids are playing in the garage. Real safe. Did you get it on? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? What are you doing back there? Man, we're having way too much fun. Alright guys, so a couple hours later, gave the car a little car wash. Looks a lot better. I didn't wash everything. My daughter was helping me, so she could only reach a certain level. But then I helped her out a little bit, so I vacuumed the engine compartment. I vacuumed a little bit of the inside, but I can't get the driver's side door open, so I don't really feel like crawling in there right now. So I'll show you what I've got done so far. Got a little bit of wash going on. This side was really good because the sun wasn't hitting it as long, so this side is actually still kind of shiny. That's what the trunk lid looked like. That's not washed yet, obviously. Not even touching the vinyl top. I did vacuum out most of the engine bay. Some of these hoses are just falling apart, so I gotta be really careful. But she was pretty dirty, and so it looks a lot better than what it did before, so happy with that. So yeah, a lot cleaner than what it was. And there's the hood, still not washed. And the A pillar's pretty gone. That's what this side looks like. This side got, baked by the sun a lot, obviously. And I believe there was some body work here. That's why the paint's peeling so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the van up and I'm gonna hook up to the wires and see if I can get it to turn over. All right, everybody. So I don't have a battery right now for the car, so I hooked up the van. I've got the van hooked up. I've got my negative and my positive just sitting here. So hopefully I can get this stuff to spin. Just that battery. I have some lights on in the car, so I'm hoping I'll get some action spinning here. So where can I put you guys to see if it'll spin or not? Right here. All right. Grab the keys real quick. Saw some sparks, but nothing spinning. You think if I clean it off, that's the sound I want to hear. All right. So I'm gonna call that a victory. I'm gonna call that a very big victory. I'm super excited about that. That thing freaking spun, man. And underneath the power of just the starter. So the starter was cranking everything in there. All right, so I'm going to replace the spark plug wires. As you can see, this one's shot. They're all kind of splitting. So I'm going to replace the spark plug wires. I'm going to replace the spark plugs. I think I'm probably going to change the oil because I don't want to start up this engine. If I can get it running, I don't want to start it up with old oil just flowing through her. So oil change, oil filter. I got to find out where the fuel line is here. I can kind of see that fuel is going in here. That line goes all the way down to the pump down here. That's the mechanical pump. I need to find out where that fuel is coming into the mechanical pump and hopefully intercept that line. Get a fuel filter for that. So I need to find out where that is. Change the spark plug wires, spark plugs, change oil, oil filter. Yeah, so that's the plan. Oh, got something in mind. So that's the plan. Super excited that spins. Oh man, that's awesome. Got it cleaned up a little bit, as you can see, and I got it to spin. Like I said, she is still kind of, it's still rough. But I'm gonna show you what the trunk looks like real quick. Oof, yeah. So it's all cleaned out. It did rust through right here. I believe that the leaf spring is connected to the frame back here somewhere. So that's like the general area that started the rust. This is an old subwoofer box that was just rotting away. And something really cool I wanted to show you. So this tire right here is just got crap everywhere. So this is one of the original tires. This was a spare tire in the trunk. So this car, like I said, is really unique. And every car back then was rear-wheel drive. So they thought that they needed a special tire. So Uniroyal made this tire. It was called the Laredo. I don't know if you guys can see that. Laredo TFD. The T stood for Toronado. Front drive. So these were tires specifically made for the Toronado. Cool little thing. But yeah, so there's a bunch of wires because of the sound system that was in it. I got it cleaned up a little bit. As you can see in there, there's still some stuff that needs to be cleaned. The doors need to be taken apart, cleaned. Back seats need to come out. Front seats need to come out. That carpet needs to come out too. I think that's where most of the stench is coming from. And then the headliner needs to come out as well. A good cleaning, and then it won't smell so bad. So that's the plan. I need to find out what to do with this door. So I can't open it. It's unlocked. I did the key. I did this. I'm doing this. There's actually a handle right here and another handle for the person in the back. So none of those are working. So I need help. Y'all need to tell me how I get in that door to get it open. Once I get it open, I can take it apart and then I can fix whatever's wrong with it. But how do I get it open? So if you guys know, please comments down in the below. Maybe send me an email, whatever. But we're getting started on it, and it's gonna take time, but it's gonna be well worth it. It's gonna be cool once I get this thing running. I do need to go to like Advanced or O'Reilly's, whatever, to get new lines and stuff, because that stuff is just old and it's falling apart. But super excited I got it to spin. Really excited. So hopefully if I can get to that fuel line, replace the spark plug wires, change the oil and whatnot, hopefully that mechanical pump will pump gas right into that carb and we should be able to get her to fire up. So next time you'll see all that new stuff on it. I'm just super pumped right now. I did open up the brake reservoir right there, and there's like two different chambers there, and one's empty and one's full of water, so that needs some work too. That's a lot of stuff needs work, but I'll get to it. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Maybe next video we might get it fired up. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave your comments down below. Anything to help me out down below. And can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.